Hey everybody, it is Wednesday and this is Reverend Kid Holmes. So welcome to One Mind Wednesday for November the 12th, 2025. The title I have in here today is Awe. Not like awe, but awe. Wonder, mind blown. Um, can't make heads or tails of things anymore, and yet we're fascinated by what's happening. I'm referencing if you were anywhere in the Northern Hemisphere last night, the extraordinary, in fact, I think it was historical, the solar flares and the coronal mass ejections that gave us an incredible aurora borealis storm. I'm here in outside of Santa Fe, New Mexico, and they were bright to the naked eye last night. Um, of course, awe, of course, wonder, of course, so many things I'm seeing posted today. People are going, I never thought I'd see it. I thought I was going to have to go to Norway or Alaska or et cetera, to ever see the Northern Lights. And so, what I love about this and the timing of this, because in the world of spirit, in the universe of God, the God of your understanding, my belief, timing is always perfect. Nothing ever happens by mistake. The timing of this to bring ourselves, out of our homes, to look up in awe and wonder at the night sky, to move away from the absolute absurdity or the seeming absurdity and chaos in the world right now. And that's my reminder to you today is we have a tendency as humans, we love black and white thinking, the internet, the who's a liar, who's telling the truth, we just want solid, dependable, unmistakable, fact-based answers. We want to be right. And sometimes, most of the time, there's more than one side to every situation. Nothing in nature is black and white. Nothing in our nature is really black and white. It is different shades, it is different facets, it is different parts and pieces and molecules and atoms of a one big wholeness, hologram, maybe. So that's my reminder today. Take a moment, whatever it might be. The solar storms are not over yet, and there's forecasts for even greater chances of northern lights wherever you might be in the northern hemisphere tonight. So pop your head out the window or your door after dark, or find something else. Focus on the color of a leaf falling off of a tree in autumn. Just something to allow yourself that sense of, yeah, I have no control over this. Why not just sit and be fascinated by it? And then maybe something creative will come up for you, most likely. All right, that's what I got for you today. I will be out with my eyes on the skies tonight once again and be posting pictures. I posted one or two last night. I will be doing so again this evening. So just find something to allow yourself to be awestruck by. It will do wonders. Okay, enough rambling. This is Reverend Kid. Thank you for joining me on One Mind Wednesdays. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, to the Substack, go to the website. All of those addresses are in the description of this post. Every Wednesday, I'm right here, and look forward to seeing you again next Wednesday. So remember this, we are all a part of the one mind, which means we are all indeed in this together. So kindness matters, love is the only answer. I love you all dearly, and I will see you again next Wednesday, One Mind Wednesday. Take care.